Alright, so this is the Rlaarlo 1/12 Truggy monster truck, whatever you want to call it. Actually came extremely nice. It was trimmed out right out of the box. Suspension was set up well. A little bouncy on really rocky terrain, maybe. All the adjustments were set up straight. Needed a little bit of adjustment on the steering rate only, and everything else was perfect. However, getting into the thick of things here, if I can get a good angle on it. The motor does not have a fan in there. I don't know if they put a used one in here and it melted off. I've heard that happens. Whatever the case may be, inside that casing, there is nothing. So that was very disappointing. So the two options I could think of was a WL Toys replacement. This car is actually relatively slow. It would be great if you're starting out and you need something that's not going to be flying right off the bat. But for someone who's got any experience, this thing's slow. I think most people who test it will have it going around 24 miles an hour. Pretty much the figure. I figure with the WL Toys motor, you'd probably be going around 35. I decided as a replacement, while I'm contacting Rlaarlo to try to do something about it, figure I can keep another can as a spare. What I'm got coming for this is a Traxxas Titan 12 turn, which I've gotten a couple other 1/10 steel cars. And we have a track out here in the front yard, which is a large oval with a jump in between. Half of it is short grass and the other half is gravel. So thus far, I have a WL Toys 124017 version 2 brushless. That car regularly will go, just around 40 miles an hour. But it is not the fastest car on that track. The fastest car on that track is a box stock Traxxas Rustler with the 12-turn Titan. That thing is a rocket. Just very good, smooth, controllable power. The tiny brushless cars, much more technical trying to get around the track. The corner speed, you can't go nearly as fast. You want to go flying. And also, they're not as stable on the gravel side of the track. Like, you hit a rock and it'll just randomly go flying, launch the front wheels off the ground, etc. Where we have another 1/10 buggy, Desert Wolf, by Mad Gear. That one's another one that's been rebranded a few times. But the speed control went bad in that, so we ended up putting the Traxxas XL5 speed control in that, and the 12-turn motor, exactly like the Rustler, and that thing is the second fastest on the track. Can't match the Rustler in the straights only because it does not have a 7-cell battery. We're using the the old school batteries in that. No lithium polymers for those cars. We got the nickel metal hydride. I mean, they're kind of heavy. Their discharge rates aren't as good, but for our purposes, they're great. But this guy, the motor is going to be the first upgrade. I would say the second upgrade is probably going to have to be this little battery. Not bad. It'll get you by, but the runtime is not great. It's just a little 1800 milliamp hour guy. Other than that, man, this thing is great. Very unfortunate that the motor had the problem it does. This thing was incredibly hot when it was done running out there. New pilot. I got this from my girlfriend. She did surprisingly well with it. Even jumped it pretty good. Just had a little problem with stability in the straights. She's got to get used to the steering on it yet. Uh, but yeah, without that motor fan, this thing was just being ran at what I would say is like a medium speed. Like wasn't even running hard most of the time. She was a little tentative at parts, so running partial throttle almost the whole time, and this thing was scorching, man. So hopefully we get that motor in soon, and hopefully this thing will be flying down the track. See you.